Hi guys, Robert Rivera here with the Rivera Trading Group, and this is January the 19th. Kind of a rough night last night trying to figure out what was going on with GBP JPY, gold, and GBP USD. I'd rather have stayed out of GBP USD. I incurred a small loss as I was trying to take the breakout to the bottom. I should have focused on GJ and gold. Gold would have given me a loss, as you see there on the right, and that's because I usually put a limit order on the retest, anticipating that it's going to bounce from there. But the price action took it to the bottom. I mean, eventually, if you follow gold, it did crush to the upside. Before it did that, it did this fake out to the bottom, which would have paid somebody very well if they took it. I'm not sure anybody on the team took that. I was waiting on the retest buy, and that was an L. On the left side, we got GBP JPY, which eventually closed outside, retested perfectly, and took off for what is that? 78 pips. I can't even see. For a 3-to-1, not bad. All of our trades are 1%ers, so it makes it easier for me to keep track of. The right side was a 1% loss, and the left side was a 3% win. Not bad. So that, by the way, makes it 2 losses on the retest for the year. 18 wins, not a bad record so far. This is me taking a pre-NAS open trade. Why did I take a pre-NAS open trade? I don't know. The truth of the matter is that I did some analysis as to the European markets and what happened last night during the European market, and I anticipated, based on what happened over there, that today was going to be a bearish day. So it ended up being a bearish day, but Robert, why are you trying to take a sale before the market opens? So that was me right there, cutting half of the position. I'm already anticipating I'm going to have to close the entire position. I'm not patient with this at all because, again, why am I in the market when the market is not open yet? You know, Robert, that your edge is when the market opens. So why are you in a trade before that? I don't know. Tired, impatient, whatever you want to call it. I ended up closing it for an L. Okay, here comes the open of the NAS. Well, the NAS already opened, and it busted to the upside, and then it crashed to the downside. And on that crash to the downside, it left a high probability setup for a supplying move, which is perfect because, again, my bias for the day was bearish. So I'm waiting for price to give me a bearish indication. Right now, I have a candle that went up and mitigated the gap, mitigated the imbalance, and now I have that red candle close. And the true move here, the right thing, as we like to say, the right way to do this would be to wait for price to break below that red candle. But price is at a zone where it, once it broke below, I figured it's going to continue going down. In the meantime, I had to endure this drawdown as it went up. I closed half of the position. As price moved back up, but it respected my stop loss, so I'm good. And then on the drop, I entered that position back in and crushed it. This was a crushing drop. It dropped so fast. I was looking at the higher time frame when it made this massive move to the downside. Here, I'm already taking partials along the way to secure positions because you have those wicks to the left. I'm hoping I can hold it all the way down to the white line. I don't know if it's going to make it down to the white line because, again, all those wicks from the bottom tell me there are a lot of orders there that are pushing price up. So price went all the way up to 57, 58, and I ended up getting like 46 or something like that on this beautiful move, which, again, goes to prove that no need to panic as long as you're doing risk management correctly, right? Price was moving against me, so I closed positions, and as price came back, then I gave my trade a second chance for a beautiful win. And that's it for today. I hope that you benefited from the trades of last night and this morning, and I will see you on the next video. God bless you all. Bye-bye.